Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore 5 easy and efficient ways to sum a column in Excel. Whether you're working with price lists, expense sheets, or any dataset that requires totaling, these methods will help you quickly calculate column sums and make informed decisions from your data. For a quick and effortless way to sum a column, follow these steps. Navigate to the worksheet containing the data you want to sum. Locate the column header, the letter at the top of the column, for the column with the numerical data. Click on the column header to select the entire column. Look at the status bar at the bottom of the Excel window, and you'll see the total sum of the selected cells displayed there. Note: this method provides a quick glance at the total but doesn't allow for copying the sum into the worksheet. AutoSum is a convenient feature in Excel that allows you to automatically calculate the sum of a column and keep the result within your table. It's perfect for when you want to maintain a running total as part of your data visualization. To sum a column using AutoSum and keep the result in your table, do the following. Click on the first empty cell below the column of numbers you wish to sum. This is where you want the total to appear. Go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Editing group, click on the AutoSum button. Excel will automatically insert the sum function and select the range of cells to be summed. Press Enter on your keyboard, and the sum of the column will be calculated and displayed in the selected cell. This method is efficient and keeps the sum as part of your table, allowing for easy reference. If you need more control over the cells you want to sum, or if you're working with a particularly large range of cells, manually entering the sum function might be the best approach. This method also allows you to predefine the range of cells you want to sum, which can be helpful when dealing with extensive datasets. If you need to sum specific cells or a large range manually, follow these steps. Click on the cell where you want the total to be displayed in your table. Type =sum in the selected cell to start the sum function. Now, either use your mouse to select the range of cells you want to sum or type the range address manually, such as A1, A100. Press Enter, and Excel will calculate the sum of the specified range and display it in the cell you selected. This method is particularly useful for summing large ranges or when you want to include cells that are not adjacent. When you need to sum only specific cells that meet certain criteria, such as filtered or hidden cells, Excel's subtotal feature is invaluable. It allows you to sum cells that are currently visible after applying filters to your data, ensuring that your totals are accurate and relevant to your analysis. To sum only the filtered cells in a column, use the following steps. Filter your data by clicking on any cell within your dataset, then go to the Data tab and click on the filter icon. Click on the arrow in the column header to apply a filter. Uncheck Select All, and choose the specific values you want to filter by. Click OK to apply the filter, and your data will update to show only the filtered cells. Select the range with the numbers you want to sum up and then click AutoSum under the Home tab. Excel will now sum only the filtered cells, providing you with a total for the visible data. This feature is perfect for subtotaling data that meets specific criteria. For those who frequently work with data and need to perform various calculations, including summing, converting your data into an Excel table is a great strategy. This will not only simplify the process of totaling columns and rows but also provide you with a host of other data management features. Converting your data into an Excel table provides numerous benefits, including easy column and row totaling. Select the range of cells you want to convert into a table or press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. A new table will be created, and a Design tab will appear in the Excel ribbon. Go to the Design tab and check the Total Row checkbox. A new row will be added at the bottom of your table. Click on the small down arrow next to the column you want to sum. From the list, select the Sum option to add a total for that column. This method makes it easy to display totals and perform other calculations, and it only sums visible, filtered cells by default. That's it. You've learned 5 different methods to sum a column in Excel, from quick and easy visual cues to more advanced features that offer greater control and automation. Choose the method that best fits your needs and enhance your Excel skills to streamline your data analysis.